Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel JOBS4HIRE. Today we are going to learn about compensation management for BBA and MBA students. First, let's go to the introduction. Definition: providing salary, wages, bonus, and benefits to employees for their work. For example, employee has 20,000 rupees per month salary plus bonus plus medical insurance equal to compensation, right? So here objectives. Next one, this is definition and this is objectives. In objectives, attract talented employees, motivate employees, retain employees in a company, provide fair salary, increase productivity, job satisfaction, reduce employee turnover. For example, if an employee gets a good salary, so he works long time in the same company. Let's go for importance. Keep employees happy, improves performance, builds company reputation, reduces employee leaving job, helps company growth. So here employee leaves job means if he doesn't get good salary, so he doesn't be on the same company, so there will be no long time working in the same company. So here the next one, types of compensation. There are two types: direct compensation, indirect compensation. Direct compensation means directly to employee, which means the company provides direct salary into their account, like salary, wages, bonus, incentives, commission. For example, employee gets 30k salary per month, right? Indirect compensation means benefits given by company, not direct cash, which means benefits like PF, ESI, medical insurance, free food, accommodation, transport, paid leave, like that. So the next one, steps in compensation management. Step 1, job analysis. Here, understand job role and duties. Step 2, job evaluation. Here, check job value and importance. Step 3, salary structure. Decide salary for each job. Step 4, compare market salary. Compare with other companies. Step 5, provide incentives like bonus, benefits, etc. Step 6, review regularly. Means check and increase salary when needed. The next one, methods of wage payment. First one, time wage system means salary based on time, like hours, day, month. For suppose 500 rupees per day, right? So the next one, piece wage system means salary based on work done. For example, 50 rupees per shirt stitching. So the next one, fringe benefits, extra benefits given to employees, like we already have discussed, like medical insurance, paid leave, company car, accommodation, free lunch, bonus, etc. So here let's talk about real time example. For suppose a software company is providing to a employee a salary like 40,000 per month, bonus 5,000 rupees, benefits like paid leave, medical insurance. All this part is full package called compensation. So this is for basic plus theory for BBA students. Okay, from here the MBA students, this is advanced plus practical level. So note it down, these points are very important. If you are okay to write a few more points than your academic material, you can now note it down these points. Here, salary structure design, which means how companies decide salary for different jobs. So the next one, pay scale and grading, which means like manager salary is higher than employee salary. Cost to company, it's also called as CTC. So here salary plus bonus plus PF plus insurance is equal to CTC. So the next one, executive compensation. Here it will be the compensation for CEOs, top managers. Next, performance based pay. So here more sales means more bonus, right? The next one, incentive plans. Compensation strategy means how companies plan salary system to attract employees. Here incentive plans means extra rewards to motivate employees, right? If the employee did good job, so he needs some support and also encouragement by the company, so here they give the extra rewards to motivate employees. So the next one, case studies. So here real company example studies in MBA. So if you are in a MBA course, then you are going to learn these case studies. If you like my channel, please do subscribe, like, share, comment for more updates. And whether if you are not understood, please ping me on the comment, so I will once again revise the topic. Thank you.